Hello, my sweet friends, and welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a centerpieces for a baby shower. My little girl is having a little girl, and I couldn't be more excited for her. She is beyond happy, and I am so happy for her and her husband, and I wanted to do some centerpieces for her baby shower, which is happening today. These are the supplies I'm using. I picked up the roses, the black, and the hot pink from Hobby Lobby, and then those black stone decorative pieces were from Dollar Tree. I'm going to use these decorative stones first. They're going to go in the bubble vase. This was purchased from Dollar Tree. This was purchased from Dollar Tree. And it's probably going to take 1.5 bags. So I want it in there because I'm gonna put these black roses and pink roses. That's her color theme. And we're going to make arrangement in this bowl. See, and they go in there just fine. I like to push the petals up so that greenery is showing. Now I'm going to go in with some pink. Her theme is A Little Boo is Due. I don't know that I like that, so I'm going to trim it off. Yep, it had to go. I thought about adding greenery, but there's so much greenery going on with the leaves, I might just leave that out. Cut this one down a little bit. Perfect. So here's little centerpieces. Quick and easy, very simple to do. So now I only have to make 5 more. I also decided to make her a corsage bump for her baby bump. However, my phone cut off while I was filming most of it, but I am going to show you the end result. But I use this stretchy ribbon that I purchased from Hobby Lobby, and I take the whole bolt and I find the middle part of it, and that's where I know I'm going to place my felt down and then place my flowers. So what I do is I just kind of put the felt on, let the glue dry, and then I'll place my flowers exactly the way I want them, and also with the embellishments, and then that's it. It's very simple to make, but I will show you the end result. This is my final result. All I did was glue some felt down in the middle part of the stretchy ribbon, place my flowers down, and I just glue them in place. Friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Here's all the centerpieces with her bump corsage.